Dang it. Welcome to the Banana Kids.
Today we will be making banana muffins. First, you will need your muffin pan and your cupcake liners. He will show you how to put them in. Baking soda, banana, dates that are pitted, rolled oats that are not home rolled, vanilla extract, cashews, some water, salt, and maple syrup. Okay, now you need to set the oven temperature to be preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. As you can see, I have already added 2 cups of water. Now, I will put in a little bit of maple syrup, right up. A 4th cup of maple syrup. Now, he will pour in 3/4 cup of cashews. Next, we will put in 3 cups of the rolled oats. Last one. Three. Now, Tyler's going to put in a banana. Now I'm going to add 3 dates. the baking soda.
How much? Ah!
1.5 teaspoons.
Oh.
Read this.
Oh, I bet you thought that's in. I'm.
And we're using a butter knife to flatten it out, so it's more exact. Okay, now we need to cover it up.
Ow.
Cover. Tell her.
Dude. Here we go.
A little bit of teamwork there. Okay, now if you are using a blender, you will use the whole juice setting to blend it. To fill it up with your parents' help to the brim of it. And then once that's done, you will put it in the preheated oven. If necessary, at the end, you will need to scrape it out. And don't worry if there's a little bit extra or a little too little. Next, I'm going to put it in the oven that has been preheated to 375 degrees. Ooh, that's a little hot. Okay, now we eat bananas while we wait for it to cook. Bananas! Woo! Okay, and while you're waiting for the muffins to finish cooking, why don't we do a little surprise for your parents and clean the blender? All you need to do is get some water and a drop of dish soap. Just one. A short one. And then you put it on the blender. Don't forget to put the lid on before you blend. And then you will pulse it for a few seconds. not get splashed everywhere when you take off the lid. Because that started happening to me. Down.
I'm ready.
Oh.
Hurry. He's taking the muffins out, obviously. You have to be careful when you're taking them out because they're a little hot if they just come out of the oven.
Now we are finna cook it. Yay.
Taste testing. They're so good.